Man is by nature a political animal, meaning man actually has always been a kind of political and social animal in one way or another, despite his evolutionary origins and biological instincts and natural characteristics. Man has always had some kind of politics and societal elements going on within himself that actually allowed him to live and to exist in the first place, and then to conquer territories and establish dominance, and obviously to progress with their populations in one way or another. If man was not political in the first place, either instinctively or intuitively, then he would not have been able to survive this much chaos, conflicts, and disasters and changes of this level. So man can be very easily considered to be at all points in time a man of politics, society, manipulation, deception, and the other bad qualities as well that always exist in his nature as part of his human psychology in one way or another. So no matter how educated, kind, compassionate, moral, wise, intelligent he becomes, he's always going to have the qualities of politics and manipulation and deception inside of himself that is going to use to basically ensure his own survival and sustainment and the security of his own food and money and wealth under all circumstances and situations. And that's why man can be very easily considered to be a political animal that already has that type of instincts installed and programmed inside of himself without even the need of actual politics in societies. So that's how man survived this much and that many things such as chaos, conflicts, fights of any kind, and made it to the present era that we now call in the modern man. Because man naturally and intrinsically has always been a political animal that lives in different societies of different kinds, sometimes primitive, sometimes medieval, sometimes modern. Now, we may not always appreciate that remark, we may not even always want to recognize it, identify it, or admit to it, but we are political. We are manipulative and calculating in one way or another in all of our decisions, actions, choices, relationships that serve our interests and fulfill our needs and demands in one way or another. And that's why we have politics within ourselves, and we are political naturally without any